What are the options for a food manufacturer when it comes to streamlining their processes? Food safety is critical, as mentioned in the previous series, because number one, it shows due diligence and it also allows a company to develop systems. Now, for many manufacturers or operators in Guyana, a basic food safety system would be HACCP. So what is HACCP? HACCP is the acronym for Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. This system allows you to identify food safety hazards which can have an impact on your operations. Let's look at it. Consumer A purchases a meal from company B, but after consuming the meal, that person develops headaches, vomiting, diarrhea. It is possible that a food safety illness was acquired. As food manufacturers or owners, it is your responsibility to ensure that the food you produce is safe for consumption. Why? Because food is part of our nature. The food that we eat provides nutrients to us. If that food is contaminated, it can result in death and illnesses. If we'd like to see the health and wellness of our consumers maintained, I want to recommend that food safety producers, manufacturers, or operators implement basic food safety systems that will enable them to control food safety hazards. One of the areas we're going to focus on is prerequisite programs. What are prerequisite programs? Prerequisite programs are basic conditions that allow an organization to maintain the safety of its food. If we go back to 20, 30 years ago, the term GMP or good manufacturing practices can be considered synonymous with prerequisites. Now, food safety practices or prerequisites basically allow you to ensure that your food is safe. One example we're going to touch on is personal hygiene. In a food establishment, personal hygiene is key. Why? Because those food handlers can transmit bacteria, fungi, and other organisms to healthy persons. That is why persons who handle food need to have a food safety certificate, as well as they need to be equipped properly with the personal protective equipment to ensure that no food safety hazard is transmitted to the food.